What's something people don't know about the Poco Pad 5G? It's not just another tablet, it's a game changer. Poco is set to launch its first tablet in India, the Poco Pad 5G. The company announced that the Android-powered tablet will be launched on the e-commerce platform Flipkart at 12 p.m. on August 23rd. The Poco Pad 5G is already available in select markets, and the Indian variant is expected to mirror the global specifications. Ahead of the launch, the Chinese smartphone brand said, "The Poco Pad 5G will be packed with segment-leading features under Rs 24,000 pounds, hinting on the India pricing of the tablet." Let's dive straight in. The Poco Pad 5G is the company's first ever tablet, and it's already making waves. Under the hood, the tablet is expected to come powered with Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 with Adreno 710 GPU. It may come with up to 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage. It will run on Xiaomi HyperOS, which is based on Android 14. Translation: your games and apps will run smoother than butter on hot toast. Supports Dolby Atmos. 4 speakers, cinematic level audiovisual enjoyment. A speaker combination composed of 4 independent units, enhancing the overall bandwidth. Enjoy breathtaking surround sound that delivers a cinematic experience. Now about that screen, the Poco Pad 5G is expected to get a 12.1-inch IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 600 nits. It may also get Corning Gorilla Glass 3 that's perfect for binge-watching your fave series or doom-scrolling through memes. Battery life? Oh, it's packing a monstrous 10,000 mAh with 33W fast-wired charging support. Think of it as the tech equivalent of an all-you-can-eat buffet. It just keeps going. And let's talk cameras. An 8MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera for all your photo and video call needs. The price is expected to be as jaw-dropping as the specs. So, mark your calendars, folks. The Poco Pad 5G launches on 23rd August 2024. And don't miss out on the special launch offers available for a limited time. Stay tuned and get ready to upgrade your tech game. Catch you on the flip side.